Welcome to the video number 5 on digital electronics. So in this session we'll discuss about problems. These are the contents hitherto we have studied. Now let's see the problem number 1. So we have to convert the binary to decimal, that is 0.101 binary. To convert this one, we have to put the weights for every digit after decimal point. That is 1 into 2 to the minus 1, 0 into 2 to the minus 2, plus 1 into 2 to the minus 3. 1 into 2 to the minus 1, that is 1 by 2, that is 0.5, plus 0 terms are neglected, that is 0, plus 2 to the minus 3, that is 0.125. On summing, we get 0.625 base 10. This is the converted 0.101 binary to 0.625 in the decimal system. Now we have to show that a b bar d plus a b bar d bar equal to a b bar. To prove this one, a b bar is common and d plus d bar is 1 according to our laws, and then we get a b bar. This is how we can prove. So in this problem we have to prove the Boolean expression a plus b into a plus c is equal to a plus bc. LHS is written and these two terms are multiplied, a into a into c, b into a or ab, b into c. And then we can solve this one, a into a as a. AC is written as it is, AB and BC are written as it is. Now A is taken common in this one, these two, A into 1 plus B. AC is written as it is, BC is written as it is. So after this, A plus 1 plus B can be written as 1. Hence, it is A plus AC plus BC. Then A is taken common into 1 plus C plus BC. 1 plus C is 1. Convert A, B, C 16 to binary. First, we need to write A, B, C. A equivalent to 10 and B is equivalent to 11 and C is equivalent to 12. In binary system, we can write 10 as 1010 and B can be written as 1011 and C can be written as 1100. We have to write the digits in the group of 4 only. So here we have written all together with the base 2. This is the answer. This 17 binary, we have to divide this term by 2 continuously, and then we have to keep the remainder in this side. We get 10001. This is the answer with the base 2. Problem 6. Convert 3BC 716 to decimal. We have to write this in the hexadecimal form, that is 3BC7, and then convert this one to decimal number system. That is 3, B can be written as 11, C can be written as 12 and 7 as it is. Now we have to put the weights 3 into 60 to the 3 plus 11 into 16 to the 2 plus 12 into 16 to the 1 plus 7 into 16 to the 0. On solving this, we will get 12288 plus 2816 plus 192 plus 7, which gives us 15303. This is the answer. Please subscribe this channel for notifications of new videos.